Hi and welcome to the Tradebox One Overview video. The purpose of the video is to give you a brief demonstration of the software and also give you access to the tools required to download and get started. Okay, so you can see at the top of the screen that the software is split into 7 modules. We'll start off with the most obvious module, which is channels. This is where you create your connections to different marketplaces and websites you wish to integrate with. You can see the name of each channel, how many orders has been downloaded, how many are open, the turnover, and what the status of the channel is. Each channel can be configured to download orders and also to upload stock, but you can also tweak that so you don't have to have the upload turned on if you don't wish. The software is supported by a service which runs in the system tray. This is the service here, and the service basically connects to your channels, downloads your orders, uploads your stock level if you have it configured to do so, and can also post your orders to your accounts package again if you've got it configured to do so. Accounts integration sits within each channel under the accounts tab and can be configured currently for either Sage or for Xero. Okay, so moving on from the channels, let's go to orders. The order screen gives you a default list of all of your orders. You can change the default. So in this example, I have my default set to only show me open orders from all channels in all currency from the last 12 months. But you can change that so it shows you what you want to see. In the screen, if we scroll down, we can see that we have a number of orders with different statuses. So if I want to change them, for example, and see all of the dispatched orders, I can then select them using the standard Microsoft grid, select Control A and choose status and change them to completed. Okay, so now all of the dispatched orders have been marked as complete. We're left simply with a list of all of the orders that have a status of paid that are still awaiting dispatch. And Tradebox has tools to assist you in doing that. If you click within the print menu, we can print off order lists, packing lists, picking lists, and Tradebox will also do your own invoices and address labels. You'll see within the top of the screen we have sections for open orders, orders in query, unpaid, on hold, refunded, and these are just quick action options where you can click into them and it will refresh the screen. The grid is fully customizable, so if you click on the grid and choose column chooser, you can drag items into the grid and change the sequence of them so you can see what you want to see. Within this status, if I just open up one of the orders here, we have a full breakdown of the order, its status, when it occurred, the order number from the channel, the shipping method, the payment method, all of the details of the customer, the billing and the shipping address, and what was purchased. And what you'll also see down the bottom is that Tradebox has calculated all of the VAT liability for each line on the order. So even if you're not using an accounts package, Tradebox, before it sends you data to your accounts, will quantify all of the VAT liability from every item of your sale, including all of your carriage and any additional items that you may have on there. So you don't have to be using an accounts package to be using Tradebox, albeit we do integrate with them. If we just skip along to shipping, in the shipping section is a list of all of the open orders that belong to either Amazon or eBay, and you can then select all of them en masse and click on dispatch, and it will dispatch them on Amazon and on eBay. There is a product section within Tradebox. Now, this very much depends upon the settings that you've established when you first start using the software. You can determine whether you're going to use your products and stock from your accounts package or whether you want to use them from Tradebox. Either option is perfectly fine. Obviously, if you're going to use them from your accounts package, we'll go off to the attached accounts package and upload your account stock levels back to your marketplaces if you have Tradebox configured to do that. Just having a quick look within a product record, we can see we've got the information on the SKU, whether it's a stock item or a non-stock item, barcodes, descriptions, tax codes, locations, and then the information on pricing and quantities, as well as things like images. There's an activity section to tell you the when this item has been sold and also when you've adjusted stock in and stock out. The reporting section will give you a breakdown of the performance of your sales channels, and you can drill into these and change the different reports per sales channel. If you're integrating with Amazon eBay, we can also pull things down like your settlement reports and your eBay fees and give you analysis on them. Customer section gives you a list of customers that if you've sold to. If we just drill into a customer record, again, we can see information about the customer. We can see the orders that have taken place and any notes that you may wish to add to the screen. And then finally, the summary section. So the summary section allows you to create a summary of a section of sales. So for example, if I click on new, I'll choose the website, and I want to create a summary from all of the sales from the 1st of January till the 31st of January. I'm going to exclude any unpaid orders and click on OK. Okay, so Tradebox now gives me a list of all of the orders that fall within the range for the summary. If I'm happy with that, I can scroll down and have a look at them. If I'm happy with the summary, click on Calculate Summary. And then Tradebox gives me a breakdown of all of the elements of that summary. So we can see the first two rows here are zero rated items, and they are zero rated for sales and for carriage. And then we have standard rated based between SagePay, WorldPay, and PayPal, both within sales and within carriage. So if you're happy with that, you click on Mark as Summarized and click on OK. And then we have our first summary entry for web sales. And this again will tell you that they run from the 1st of Jan to the 31st of Jan, what the net amount is, the tax amount, and the gross. And if we drill into that, it gives you a full breakdown of each item line. This can then be entered directly into your accounts package manually. It can be exported to Excel and sent to a consultant or to an accountant. Or if you do have an integration with your accounts package, you can send that as a summary to your accounts package. Under the support option, we have all of the information about the program, and there's lots of features here about getting access to Tradebox and Tradebox support, the online help desk, feature requests, forums, raising tickets, etc. And there's all of Tradebox's contact details and also Tradebox's opening hours. Back onto our website, there is a request to call back and information here about booking a demo. If we go to pricing, one of the obvious questions is the cost of Tradebox. So we have 5 licenses. The community license is free. It's limited to a single channel and it's limited to 50 orders, and it has no support. The other 4 licenses are all paid for. It's all based upon the number of channels in the software you want to connect to. So we have a single channel license, 5 channel, 10 channel, an unlimited channel. There are no restrictions on the number of orders, SKUs, or users. They all include accounts integration. They're all available for a free 14-day trial, which you can trial and it's fully supported. And then we have licenses are based upon a 12-month license or a 3-month license, but there is a discount for committing to an annual license. If you are interested, you can click on free trial, fill in the form, download it, and get started. A member of the support team will be in contact with you to ask you any questions or answer any questions that you may have. If you click on support, that'll take you through to the Tradebox Help Center, and within here are all of the guides and article bases that will help you get started. Okay, well, thanks for listening. If you are interested in Tradebox, please get in contact and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.